Hey again, this is the last tutorial, uh, with the HEC Georas. In this point, we will be export this modeling to the Hec Ras, which is separate from HEC Georas. Uh, the way to do this, go to the Ras geometry and export data. At first, before that, we have to make sure the layer setup here the shrink type is 10 because we already worked with 10, and the layer stream center line is river. The XS cut lines was the same, we didn't change any name here. Also the bank lines is bank, flow path, the flow path, river 3D options. Here we do nothing for the manning because we'll be working these things with the Hec Ras. So we'll be like skip this step now. Let's do to export this file. The file saving will be in F tutorial. The RAS to GIS to RAS. Say yes. It's exported now. So they're showing this dialog message. The GIS data for RAS exported successfully, so let's say yes, okay, and close. It's showing this done. Then go to the Hec Ras, open this one, the geometry data. Then we have to get the import geometry data. The geometry will be imported from the GIS format. So change this one to this folder. Then go to the tutorial, this one, and this is the name of our file. Then okay. Here the message showing the unit, which unit will be used, and which things will be like exported here. The GIS, from GIS to RAS, like the lines, the station points, the reach length, the bank stations, everything. Here the elevation which we extracted before and extracted before from the DEM or from the T or from the tin. Say finish. Oh, this is the river. This is the direction. This is the station point. First thing, we have to go to the option main channel. It's okay. To the table, check the manning. Here we have to assume the manning coefficient. If you don't know the area for the they don't know the study area actually, the roughness coefficient for manning. I'm assuming here like say 0.035. So yeah. I will be able to multiply by factor, so I will make it like saying so let's take this one. I have to do it for all. It's same. Just by the way, we go to here to the cross section, the area. This is the shape of the river showing here. See, we go for a direction here. See, this is each section for the XS, which we do it. This is the figure of the river, the bank line, and the channel.